Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me two cases actually from ESR. One of them is like a hybrid case, while the other one is a what they call a Krystec technology case. Both of these are basically the same case. I mean, the design and everything is all the same. It's gonna fit your iPhone 14 Pro Max the same way. But let me take that off right there and show you. See that? They're literally the same case. The buttons and everything are all the same. You see that? One difference is that the hybrid case, it has these bubble on the corners of them. You see that? So you can see the bubbles inside of them. That's the only design that I've seen that's different. Even the little logo right here that says ESR is the same. Everything's the same. MagSafe placement and everything, it's all the same as well. The one thing that you'll probably notice difference between these cases versus some of the other cases is this right here, where the camera bump is. They're very proud of the camera guard right here. You see that? Yeah, so both of them is like that. Like I said, all the buttons and everything is the same. Here's the power button right here. Looks totally the same. Inside, even, you know, the ESR Halo lock, that's the same as well. Very thin, but by the way, very thin. So differences between these two cases. One is that this one right here, you can see this is like a hybrid TPU material, I guess. I wouldn't call it silicone. Silicone is a lot more flexible. This still has like hard plastic in it. And then there's the Krystec case. This is what they call Krystec, which is a bit harder. You can't bend it as much as this one right here. So they're pretty close though. I mean, so let's say here. Yeah, one of them is just a lot more, the hybrid is a lot more softer feel. So depending on how you like it in your hands, that's gonna be the determined factor here, where which one you would get. But both of them, I've been using it for about a week or so now, and they work pretty much the same. The MagSafe is very strong, there's no doubt about it. Right here, I have a MagSafe charger, which is from ESR as well. And see right here, it's strong. This thing is heavy, by the way. It's hefty. See that? It's very nice. Yeah, they're both very strong to use on any MagSafe, and so far they haven't yellowed. I mean, a week and a half now. Obviously, I don't put lotion in my hands, so I can't really test that. But yeah, so far so good here. These clear case. They fit very tightly though, very tightly. See that? There. That's nice protection for your screen right there. And look at the camera guard piece right here. I mean, if I turn it this way, you can see that it covers the camera completely. Obviously, precise location, Apple logo showing off right there. And as I'm pointing out earlier, only spot that you'll see with the logo is right here, ESR right there. Yeah, you can't feel the MagSafe. Obviously, the only bump is going to be the camera bump right here. So when you put it down on the table, that's going to hover a bit. So let me just take this one off. Put the other one on. Both of these cases, the fit is really tight. Okay, so this is not one of those where it's loose and your phone is moving inside. This Krystec case, because it is a harder, I guess, plastic, like you really have to snap it in. Yeah, this thing feels solid. This thing feels super solid. Again, same design. I mean, the only difference that you're gonna see, again, it's gonna be these corners right here with the differences. So there you have it. This one right here is the hybrid case. Feels really good in the hand. It has a softer feel to it, essentially. And the Krystec case has a harder feel. You gotta snap it in because the entire shell is very, very tough. Yeah, feels really tough. Anyway, like I said, I've been using this for about a week. Both of these are gonna be, it's gonna be great. I mean, if you have MagSafe accessories and stuff like that, this is the way to go right here. It holds very, very well, these cases. So anyhow, that's it for me right there. Those are the two cases, the hybrid and the Krystec case from ESR. They both are very well done. I mean, it's ESR, right? They're great accessory makers. Anyway, have a good one. Bye-bye.